What is this?
This is my house.
Wow, that looks great. Where is the bed?
The bed is in the bedroom.
Where is the sofa?
The sofa is in the living room.
Where is the table?
The table is in the dining room.
Where is the bath?
The bath is in the bathroom.
Where is the fridge?
The fridge is in the kitchen.
Where is the dog?
The dog is in the garden.
Where is the chair?
The chair is on the balcony.
Wow, what is this?
This is a big toy house.
Where is the big toy house?
It is in the playroom.
Where is your car?
It is in the garage.
Where is your grandmother's rocking chair?
It is in the attic.
Where is the pool table?
It's on the ground floor.
Where is the washing machine?
It is in the laundry room.
Have you got a pet?
Yes, I have.
What pet have you got?
I've got a cat.
Where is the cat?
The cat is in the kitchen.
What has the cat got?
It has got a tail and whiskers.
Wow, that looks cute. Have you got a dog?
Yes, I have.
What has the dog got?
It has got a tail and 4 paws.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.